We've created this short video to show how quick and easy it is to create a request list from our inspection report. So here we're looking at the inspection report of a home we did fairly recently for a customer. You've gone through all of the items, you've read through the report, you've looked at the repair and replacement items, you've looked at all the high priority items, and you decided, okay, I want to create a list of items that I want the seller to address. At the very top, you'll see flashing right here, create your repair request list. If I click on that, what will happen, now I have a list in front of me of all of the issues that the home inspector raised. And from this list, I want to select the items that I want to include the report. So what we've done is, okay, over here, you can select by priority. Okay, you can select by priority, or you can select by summary item. Okay, so I can say, okay, I want to include all of the high immediate items, all of the health and safety items, everything that's marked for repair, replace, everything that needs to be done in the short term. And, oh, by the way, I also want to include everything that the inspector said needs further investigation. These are the things I'm focused on. The routine maintenance items, the things that don't need to be done anytime soon, I'm not too worried about those. So once you've selected all of those, then I can take a look at the report. Say, okay, let's take a look at what that looks like. By selecting this button up here, which says Create PDF, the system will then generate a copy of what you'll be sending to the other party. Okay, so here it is right here. Okay, so everything looks good. Maybe I want to make some changes. I can go in and say, oh, on this item, you know what? I want a credit for this item. So if I say, give me a credit of $500. Okay, so you'll notice at the very top, it now starts to track the amount of credits that I'm asking for. Like scroll down, this item, yep, I want a credit for that. Give me $250. Let's say you could have gotten pricing from a contractor to fix these items. And you know what, I'm going to have these done. So as you can see, it's starting to put together with credit. You can also, another thing you can do is you can modify or add your own comments. If I click on this option here, it says, do you want to hide the inspector's comment? I say, no, don't hide the inspector's comment, but allow me to type in you can see I can't type. Okay, so I can type in my own comments right here, and I say now the report is ready. I can say, okay, I want to create. Remember, this create button shows you a preview. Now I can say download all of those items and create a PDF file. So once I click on that button, the system will build a PDF. It will download it to my computer, as you can see in this lower right hand corner here. And all I have to do from that point is go in and attach that to an email and send it off to the other party, and I'm done. Okay, so it's really that simple. Okay, but it's a great tool, easy to use, and you don't have to retype all of this stuff into a separate document. It's right here available for your use. Okay, hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call.